So here's the website that I get all my brushes from. It's called DeviantArt, and then you just want to search for the brush you want. So I want skin brushes. So I just scrolled down, and then the brushes I use is Skincare V2. And you just want to go on the side bit, there's a bit to download, so you just simply click that and it takes you to this screen, and then you want to open in Adobe Sketch, and then as I've already got it, it won't do it, but it takes you to Adobe Sketch and then it starts to download them. And then once you're in there, you need to go to the brush section and it'll come up as Skincare V2. Just click that, and then my favourite ones I'm just going to show you here. So I go for the soft one to get the smooth finish on the skin, and it blends everything together. And sometimes I use the very soft one if I want it even more blended. If you're doing faces, I think these brushes are a must-have. I also use the large pores one. I like to use this for the highlight and add in skin texture. I'm doing these in the colour grey, and I don't know why, because it doesn't give it justice for all the brushes, but yeah, this is the eyeshadow one here that I'm just using, which obviously I use for eyes. So on the same website, type lash brushes and it comes up with this. Go on the like pinky one, and it gives you like I think it's 6 sets of eyelashes, and then it's the same process. Go to the side, download it, and then open in Adobe Sketch. And you'll find the lashes, they're quite easy to find because you click on a brush and then you go to other brushes and it will be the newest one you've downloaded. And here are some of my favourite ones. So you get an upper and you get lower lashes, you get closed eyelashes. It just saves time on eyelashes. I only use these sometimes when I need a piece of artwork to go up quick, and these are just easy to just put on and then customise yourself. So I'll link all the brushes I use in the description, so you don't really have to type all this in, but obviously if you want to find different ones, you go ahead and type it in on this website. So I scrolled down and I got this pack of eyebrows and eyelashes. I think you get 62 in here, so it's quite a lot. So here are some of the eyebrows and stuff I like. I think I prefer 9 and 10. I just think they're more natural and you can sculpt them to obviously the face you have. To get all your brushes, go press the back button, so you'll be on the sketch brushes, and then all your other brushes will be there. And here I'm just showing you some of my favourite sparkly brushes that I use, and I've done it in pink obviously so you could see it. All these sparkle brushes, I will put the link in the description, and if you're going to that website, it's best to use it on a web browser because I've tried it on the app before and you can't download the brushes for some reason. It just doesn't work. So just use the web browser on like your iPad or iPhone. I use the app just to like favourite them, so obviously I can put them in the description for you all. So in my recent Instagram post, I wanted to use something different on the face because I thought it was a bit plain, so I wanted to find some gems, and I downloaded some and they just looked a bit crappy, so I found some other ones that look quite good in white. They give it like a festival vibe that I was going for, and you get loads in a pack. I'll also link them down below. Here's what the final result looked like. I tried all the new brushes, gems and everything, and I think it looks okay. What do you think? Comment below.